Hi, this is Lindsay from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own kombucha Scoby fruit leathers. They are super healthy and easy and delicious to make. In the descriptions below, I'll have a link where you can find the written recipe. Now, for this recipe, you're going to need about 2 medium-sized kombucha Scobies, which will blend into about 1 cup of mixture, half a cup of whatever frozen fruit or fresh fruit that you'd like, about a 1/4 cup of water. I like to add, because kombucha Scobies are a little bit more on the bitter side, I like to add some honey. 1 to 2 tablespoons is plenty of honey. You can add more afterward if you feel it needs more. And then you're just going to blend this together. You do want your mixture to be on the thicker side, but if you find that it's not blending completely, just add a little bit more water at a time until it starts to blend and it's nice and smooth. Afterward, you're just going to pour some mixture onto a parchment paper and try to spread it out as evenly as you can. You want it to be pretty thin so that it dehydrates properly and quicker that way as well. If it's fairly thick, you're going to find it will take a lot longer to dehydrate. Now you'll set your dehydrator for about 45 degrees Celsius and you'll want it to cook for about 8 hours. Now I did put mine for 12, but I didn't leave it that long. After about the 7 to 8 hour mark, I start to check it and you'll start seeing whether it's done or not. So with this one here, you can see how there's still kind of in that little section, it's still a little bit wet. So you just leave it in longer, generally about another hour, and it will be completely done. You will find that most of the time, it only takes between 7 to about 9 hours for them to cook. Once they're done, they actually will peel really nicely off of the parchment paper. Now, because I want to store these in a jar, I'm going to keep them in the parchment paper because it helps to keep them dry and just helps them to last longer so they don't stick it together in the jar. Wrap them up, put them in your jar, and airtight containers what you want, and put the lid on and leave it away from direct sunlight. And that is it. You will have such an easy, delicious snack, and it peels really easily off of your parchment paper, as you can see right here. These are really fun to make. They're really healthy, filled with probiotics, and the greatest thing is that you can do so many different flavor combinations. So the one that I had here is I did a mango and vanilla one, and then we also did a blueberry and vanilla one, which my kids absolutely love. And you can do any flavor combinations that you like. To make it easier, I just cut mine with scissors. You can rip it with your hands if you want as well, and then just roll them up. You can get the kids involved, put them into your jar, and they last several weeks with no problems at all on the shelf. I've had mine last actually for quite a few months when I've made lots and lots of them. Easy, healthy, delicious snack that you and your family will love. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more healthy cooking from scratch and homemaking tips. And I'll see you guys again soon in my next video. Have a lovely day.